Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with something to plant that you might not have thought of before: garlic. If you love to cook, you know there's nothing like fresh garlic to add some yummy flavors to whatever it is you're making in the kitchen. You can plant your own garlic, and it's a lot like planting tulip bulbs. First thing to know is you can either do it outside in the garden or in a separate pot like we're doing today. You want a pot that's at least 12 inches in diameter with about 18 inches of depth, which is what we have here. Now we're using an organic potting soil that is designed for edibles as well. And what's really unique about using a potting soil like this is that garlic is susceptible to root disease. So you want a soil that will absorb water but then also be well draining. That's where a potting soil comes in. So you go ahead and you choose whatever garlic you like. There's many different brands, and you're going to plant them like tulip bulbs, and so the point is going to go up. You want to have about a couple of inches of depth in the soil, and you want a few inches to separate each one of the bulbs, so you've given them room to grow. You don't want to crowd it, because remember, the plant is going to expand as it grows. And just go ahead and cover it up like this. You can place this in an area that has a lot of sun, or if you're going to do it indoors underneath a grow lamp, cover it all up like this. And then, this is the key, you want to make sure that it's really wet. You want to get that soil super wet all the way through. Now the nice thing about potting soil, and you see these little white flakes in there, it actually will help absorb the moisture to keep the garlic bulbs nice and hydrated. And so you're going to spend all that time to get it nice and wet in a nice sunny location, and then in a matter of probably a couple months or so, you're going to start to see the plants start to come up, and you're going to be growing your own fresh garlic.